This is unboxing with kid gloves. With the big kids!
Shea! We finally get to do an unboxing video. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so Shea has been asking me for how long?
I don't know.
Like a month or more? I know, it's like COVID time. But I am super excited. I just ordered in this product from Amazon. I've gone over this with your 2 brothers and 2 sisters in the other unboxing videos, but this is also packaging right here. Did you know that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so what kind of box do you think this is called?
I didn't even know boxes had different names.
They do have different names. So this is a corrugated shipping box. Can you say that?
Corrugated shipping box?
Yeah, it's a corrugated shipping box, which is different than, oh, here's one. It's easier to grab than this. Shout out to Fishwife. This box, see how it's a little bit different? It's prettier, it's all that stuff. This box is called a folding carton. Yeah, so this is a folding carton. This is like what you eat your cereal and that's that kind of box. This is like a shipping box. It's made to like go, like get banged around and all that kind of stuff. So, we have a corrugated shipping box. We've got some tape. I've already opened it, but you can see right here, back to school is back, spend less, smile more. So this is called reinforced water activated, I think, paper tape. So this tape doesn't hurt any kind of recycling. This I actually thought was kind of cool. Right, where did I see it? Where did I see it? Where are you? Oh wait, maybe it was on the inside of the box. Let's see. Oh yeah, check this out. What does that say right there?
Made with less materials?
Yeah, this box is now made with less materials. Scan to see why. So we could, you can see that right there. We could take our phone and scan this QR code. Should we do that?
Sure.
Okay, let's see. All right. Open Amazon.com link. And improving our packaging. Driving towards zero additional packaging. Frustration-free packaging. Less packaging, more smiles. Look at all these things. All of these numbers about ways that Amazon is trying to help our planet. So this box is made from 100% recycled paper.
Oh.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So one thing Amazon would be, if you got this QR code, I know you're listening, if you've got this QR code and you say, see why less material matters, maybe, I don't see where it, I'm sure it says it somewhere on this app, but you could actually just make that the landing page and maybe create like, so I just know exactly what it is, right? Because there was a whole lot of information there, right, that we had to get through. Okay, one other thing, when we open it up, what do you see here?
A box and this stuff.
Yeah, so this is called void fill. This is a costly thing with packaging because so these things, you want to pop one? No, like squish it. Can you squish it and pop it? Yeah! Do you want to do more?
No.
Come on. Okay. So that was super fun. So this can actually be, you can see right here, it can be store drop off. Wait, there it is. Plastic wrap store drop off. So these air pillows, you can squish them down and drop them off at the grocery store to be recycled. So this box isn't too bad because they're obviously trying to, ship out a whole lot of stuff. What's interesting though is what we ordered, which we're gonna get to right now. Okay, so this is in fact what we ordered. What kind of box do you think this is right here?
Corrugated shipping box?
Corrugated shipping box. So we have a corrugated shipping box inside of a corrugated shipping box. Do you think that they could have just shipped this to us just like this, that Amazon could have? Yeah, probably, huh? They probably could have just slapped a shipping label on there and shipped it to us like this, but for some reason they decided not to. That doesn't reflect poorly on the brand at all that we ordered this from, but it is interesting that they didn't just ship this to us with a shipping label. But anyway, so do you see on the outside here what we've got? IWON Organics. You see all of this print all over the box. How cool is that? So that looks a little bit different than the last shipping box we had. Not quite as pretty as that box, right? The Fishwife one, but still super cool. So we've got the corrugated shipping box. We've got some tape that you've got to cut into. So the difference between this kind of tape and the tape on the outer box is the tape on that paper tape I could actually rip open. This one I had to cut with scissors on, and you were like, okay, so I want you to open up these flaps and then pull out what you got. We'll talk about what that packaging is. Ooh. All right. So this box protected these things, right? And the other box with the little pop air pillows protected this box. I would say that maybe that box was a little unnecessary, but that's okay. So, what have we ordered here? Mark, we're excited. So this guy, Mark Samuel, he's been on Papa's podcast. This is his company.
Cool.
Isn't that cool? And he has kids, and he loves to involve his kids, and so I thought what a cool thing to do to talk about his product on Unboxing with Kids Gloves with you Shabaya Bays. So, what do we have here?
Granola.
But what kind of granola?
Protein granola.
Yeah. And they are, where do they come? Plant. Now, are we always talking to you about, like, eat less sugar, because you might get headaches? We talk to you about that a lot. Well, why did I want to get this for you? Because look, 3 grams of total sugar. How cool is that? So, oh, and then look, there's Mark, and there are his kids. That's super neat. So let's talk about this here for a second. So this is what's called a stand-up pouch. Do you know why they call it that? We're not super creative in packaging, because ready, watch. What's it doing?
Standing up.
Yeah, and it is a...
Arrow?
Yeah, but it's a pouch, right?
Oh, yeah.
So, it's going to be a pouch that's going to hold some things. Come on! Okay. Yeah, and it's got this tear top right here. So you can see there's a knife cut right there and right there. So it makes it easier to rip open. Now, the reason why these things are so popular, not the food, I'm sure the food is great, we haven't tried it yet, but this kind of packaging is because it's really compact, right? Like there's not a whole lot of waste in this, but it also has a barrier in it. So it protects this product, just like that shipping box protected this whole thing from getting smashed. This film protects this product from going bad so that we can eat it and enjoy it, which we should probably do right now, don't you think? Do you want to? All right, we're gonna try these. These are protein granola clusters that are plant-based. You can see on the back, we've got some great graphics. You got a picture of Mark. You can kind of connect with the why. I'm winning on nutrition. I won. I give back. If you're not following Mark on social media, on LinkedIn, you should do that. Shay, you don't have LinkedIn yet, do you? Of course not. All right, here, I want you to try the first one. Okay, I'll try one too. What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah? And, sorry, look at all this. All this healthy protein, or plant-based protein that we have in there. 6 grams of protein, 3 grams of sugar, 4 grams of fiber, a sweet, delicious flavor. Oh man, that was really good. I'm excited to try these. We got a chocolate pecan, got a maple. Oh, vanilla blueberry. Should we try that one? Which one do you want to try? Maple or vanilla blueberry?
I don't care.
Well, maybe we'll try one later, but here, let's wrap this up. One thing that you'll see, if you really care, see how there's these clear things right there? So that gets built into the artwork, because when this prints, it's like all the way across on this web. And or those are going to be the gutters going this way, depending on, probably going to be going this way. So you're going to have these gutters and it's going to get sliced, and you want to make sure that if you have artwork going all the way to the end, that it doesn't bleed over into this side. I know that doesn't make a lot of sense for you, but this is really common in these pouches to have these little clear, or sometimes they're white, things on the side. Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you love packaging, huh? Anything you want to say to people?
No.
No! Okay, so what did we learn? We learned about what kind of...
Corrugated shipping box.
Yep. Remember what this kind of box is called?
Folding cart.
Yep, a folding carton. And then what was this called?
Stand-up.
A stand-up pouch. Nice job, Shea. Cool. Great job, Mark. Great job. Everyone go check out IWON Organics. They've got a ton of great products, and loved doing this with you, Shea. That was fun.